Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use the retouch feature in CapCut PC. So you can use the retouch on CapCut to add some makeup or correct your face shape, your skin tone in a video. And here I've already imported my edits, and if you want to use the retouch you can just click on retouch in here under the video tab. Okay, so enable the retouch first. Click on this box right here, this little box, and you can see this. You can adjust the if you have more than one person in the video or photo you can choose group, but since I only have this one person I'm going to use the single person. You can see there are lots of settings that you can uh correct. For example, the smile lines in here, you can just swipe to the right to make it smoother like this. Bright eye, dark circles, let's enable this. I'm going to go with 52. And you can also brighten the skin. Maybe if there is a teeth shown, you can also make it white by using this. And you can also change the skin tone, but this is only for the pro users. I'm going to skip that. And here you can also reshape if you want to. You can just enable that again. Here you can correct the face, eyes, nose, mouth, and eyebrows. So let's try the nose. I don't know. Okay, I'm going to just scroll down here, adjust the bridge, the nose bridge. You can see there will be some changes in the nose here. You can adjust it to your liking. You can adjust the size. You can also add some makeup if you want to. I'm going to go change the make or add some makeup. Let's try the California makeup here. Click on this. Okay, you can see now the makeup has been added. I think it's enough. You can always explore in here. There are lots of settings that you can select on retouch. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.